Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the potential high pricing error on Amazon. First, open Amazon Seller Central and sign in to your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to your Pricing or Manage All Inventory section. Find the product that is showing the potential high pricing error. Open the listing and check the current price you've entered. Amazon may flag your listing when the price is significantly higher than what it considers a reasonable market price or the recent selling price. Review the price and compare it with similar products currently being sold on Amazon. If your price is too high, adjust it to a more competitive price. Save your changes and wait for Amazon to update the listing. If you believe your price is correct, check the listing and pricing information carefully to make sure there isn't an incorrect value, such as an extra digit or a misplaced decimal point. You can also review your pricing settings and automated repricing rules if you're using them. After making the necessary changes, check your Seller Central account again to see if the warning has been removed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the potential high pricing error on Amazon Seller Central. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.